This is a 2011 Ford Edge. Safety, space, and comfort. It features a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, heated seats, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, xenon headlights, steering wheel mounted cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, fog lamps, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. This Ford has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.